What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and finally I'm gonna be showing you how can you actually get the GCam working on the POCO F5 5G, because some of you guys kept commenting that it's force closing on you guys at first whenever you open it. So yeah, that's normal. It's not like something that I haven't faced. It is totally normal, but I'll show you exactly how to get the GCam working. So let's assume this is the LMC 8.4 and these are two files that I need to actually get the GCam totally working. This is the LMC 8.4 APK file and this is the XML. This is Optimbro LMC version 16. I'll try to link both of these in the description. Do not worry. You need to first actually install this LMC 8.4 on your device, of course. Right now, I do have the LMC 8.4 working for me. So I'm not going to be showing you, as you can see, it's not force closing. So I'm not going to be showing you like this. Let's just clear the data of it and I'll show you then. Let's go to storage. All the data of the LMC 8.4 removed. So right now, just try to open the LMC 8.4 APK that you have installed, and if you just give all the permissions just like this and just click on done, let's wait, and as you can see, it just force stopped on me. So yeah, this is totally normal. Even now, if I just open it, it will force stop again. As you can see, it force stops. So right now, let me show you. You just need to copy this particular file or any XML that you are using. You just need to copy it and it will work on all the GCams, guys. Don't worry. I'm not going to copy it right now because I already have the files over there. And then just find this LMC 8.4 folder. Or if you just don't have it, just create it, but it will only be created once you open the APK file or once you just open the GCam. So yeah, with this particular folder, let's assume I have pasted it over here, and you can use any XML that you want. I have made a custom one because I don't want the location and the shutter sound and stuff, all those things. That's why you see this custom XML of mine. And here, let me show you. I open it and I just tap here and I just select. Okay, so as you can see, it just force stops. You have to do it quick, otherwise it will force stop. As you can see again, it force stopped on me. So here you have to import it fast, and once you do that, it will work. As you can see right now here, it's working. And once you get a working XML, let's assume I'm just switching to this like custom XML that I have made, and here with this, as you are noticing, it is actually working perfectly fine. So right now I can use it, and even for videos, I think it will work. There is the full HD 60 fps working perfectly fine with this. And there's the normal camera option and even the portrait mode option and even the night light option. Everything should be working fine. And here are some samples that I have taken with this particular GCam to give you an idea about the overall GCam quality.
Pause them if you need it. And these pictures are taken in daylighting situation with the rear camera. These also are with the rear camera and the colors came out to be really good. And here also you can see the reds and the greens are much poppy. And on this one as well, you can see on the left side, this is a rear camera normal sensor and there is the wide angle sensor on the right side. And these are two selfies taken in daylight condition. And this is a night side selfie which has a lot of noise, guys. And these two are taken in completely in the night side mode with the rear camera. This one too with the rear camera, and the right side pictures are completely amazing with the rear camera, I have to say.
So this is how you actually install the GCam on the POCO F5, guys. And if you found this GCam samples as magic, do hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KTNTECH signing off for today, and please share this video out in the meantime with your friends so that they can enjoy GCam on their POCO F5s, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.